Goshio electric bicycle assembly. First, unbox the bike, then make sure all your parts are included. Step 1. Insert the handlebars and adjust the angle. Next, tighten the handlebars and then install the waterproof cap. Install the fenders starting with the front one, then using the round head screws secure it into place with the headlight. Now install the front tire. Remove the shipping bolt and safety tab from the disc brake pads. Put the tire on the bike and then insert the quick release axle and clamp it down tight. Now put the seat on and clamp it down the same way as the tire. Install the rear fender. Next, install the pedals. L goes on the left and R is on the right. Install the bell using the screwdriver in your toolkit. Now it's time for the battery installation. Open the black pouch on the front of the bike. Use the key to unlock the battery and then slide it on. Relock it once the battery is on. To turn the bike on, you push the button on top of the battery. The lights will light up on top. Double-check all the wires and make sure they are properly connected and that the bike can turn left and right without any resistance. Turn the secondary power on by holding the middle button on the control panel. The bike has 5 speeds. The plus button increases the speed and the minus reduces it. Hold the plus button to turn on and off the light. Hold the minus button for cruise control. Hold the middle button to power off the bike or press and release it to cycle through your trip mileage. How to fold your bike for easy storage. Simply release the clamp in the middle of the frame and fold it in half. Congratulations, you're all done. Simple, right? Now it's time to go test this bad boy out and put some miles on it. Hit that like and subscribe button before you do. Thanks for watching and leave a comment if we missed anything or if you get stuck.